Pfizer's announcement in mind, parents in Utah are weighing their options. ABC4's Jordan Burroughs spoke to several parents today, and he joins us live from Midvale. Jordan, how are they feeling out there?
And honestly, they're feeling pretty great. A majority of the parents I spoke to say, of course, they will get their children vaccinated that are in that age group of 5 to 11, but they are waiting for that emergency use authorization. We do know that Intermountain Healthcare and University of Utah doctors strongly encourage anyone who is eligible to get the COVID vaccine to get that vaccine. However, there are some parents that I spoke to that are still having reservations.
I know every parent is going to have different reasons behind why they would or wouldn't.
Several adults and parents gave their thoughts on Pfizer's announcement, saying its COVID-19 vaccine works for children ages 5 to 11 years old.
I really believe there's science behind it, and I think that they've done their research.
I think it's great. I think that the more people that are vaccinated, the better.
Intermountain Healthcare sent this statement to ABC4 today, saying, quote, "Vaccination is one of our best defenses, along with masking and social distancing. Intermountain Healthcare strongly encourages everyone to be vaccinated as soon as they are eligible. We are very encouraged by the news we are hearing from Pfizer that the safety and efficacy for 5 to 11 years old is on par with older individuals, but await recommendations from the FDA and CDC."
When it comes to medical stuff, I figure that's a personal decision. Whether you want to take it, it's fine with me. Whether you don't want to take it, it's fine with me.
Mason Hamilton's family, including himself, have not been vaccinated and will not get vaccinated because they're waiting for long-term research to be published.
We decided to let them choose, just like we think we should choose.
Lois Harris disagrees with this take.
It's not a personal choice. It's a health issue. It's a scientific issue. It's not an opinion.
Harris's kids are now in their 30s, but says in her circle of friends there is a lot of gratitude behind this announcement.
I know a lot of people with grandchildren, and they're all excited about getting their little kids protected.
We are told the vaccine could see emergency use authorization for children ages 5 to 11 in about the next 4 to 6 weeks. That would be at the earliest. And also we do know that doctors say if this age group does become eligible, of course it will help in our fight, the state's fight, and the country's fight against that extremely contagious Delta variant in this fight in COVID-19. Reporting live in Midvale, Jordan Burroughs, ABC4 News.